Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Tomorrow's the Adventure Unfolds event at 10 a.m. Got a link for that and got a little bit of a surprise coming right up. Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Got a link for the live event for DJI. I'm going to put that in the description. This is what it looks like. And of course, it'll probably be active. My guess is last time when they did the release for the Spark, it was about a half hour before it started. So I'd probably try to pull it up in your browser maybe about 9:30 or so in the morning. So I'll make sure they'll just drop the link in the description. The other thing is, and I'm sure you probably have already seen it, are these pictures, which leaves absolutely no doubt that this is the DJI Mavic Air. It definitely has a very interesting look. It is definitely bigger than the Spark and definitely smaller than the Mavic. So these pictures were courtesy of TechCrunch, and I'll drop that link in the description as well. Now, they stated per Drone DJ, and I'm going to read these off, and I'm going to put this up on the screen here for you too. Said we're looking at a 21-minute flight time, a 4K 32 megabyte camera. The gimbal is going to be a 3-axis gimbal. It's going to have obstacle avoidance on the front, the bottom, and the back. There's also going to have the vision positioning system, and it's also going to feature gesture control like the Spark does as well. So, and this is what Drone DJ is reporting. So, but of course, tomorrow morning at 10 a.m., we're going to find out everything. Now, be sure to keep it tuned here because tomorrow night, I'm going to have another update for you. We're going to take a look at it. We're going to go over some thoughts, what I think of the event, number one, and number two, what I think of the Mavic Air. So stay tuned for that. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Tell others about our channel. Check out my Facebook page where I'm going to be posting updates frequently. If there's anything during the day, of course, if it's put out, I'll be able to get it out from DJI. Tomorrow night, there will definitely be an update for me. So be sure to watch for that. Also, check out the blog where I post some mini reviews, updates, and also every one of these videos gets out there as well. Thanks a lot and happy flying.